Ciao guys, welcome for a new tip. Today I'm going to talk about the snorkeling mask by Telesin. Here's the box. It's a very strong box in which I received and I take occasion to say thank you to Telesin. This is the full box. Let me show you previously and then we check in details the mask. That's what we find inside the box, and this is a screw. But let's check in details. Let's go. Here's the box. Let's take out the mask and the screw that we got. So as previously say, the box is very strong, shock proof, so it's very good to carry it around, especially when you travel. You got a practical zip, and then you can use even a lace if you want to carry it with you easily. There you go. Here's the mask. We got a normal. Let's have a quick check of the screw. Screw is a normal one. It's just you've got just a bit more grip in the middle. Especially, it's very good in my opinion, especially because most of the time you have the hands wet after you dive or you do some snorkeling, so it's easier to click it and remove it eventually. So that's a very good screw. And let's pass to describe and check in details the mask. The mask is made with a tempered glass, high quality tempered glass, very good. When you're underwater, there is an anti-fog system on the glass, so it's not create any fog inside, so it makes clear the view every time you use it. The external part is made by high quality non-toxic silicone, so is one of is the best one when you go underwater. As you can see from the design, protect all the over part of the mouth and the nose. I prefer to use this one because when I used for example the face mask, the full one, I've got the beard and that, for example, is leaking, so I keep going with the half mask only. I'm using this mask and not the full mask. All the rest is silicone, very strong, as you can see. It's a stress test, so you can regulate as usual. Is a mask, and then you got the top part in PVC, like this part on top, this plastic material that it makes more resistant. As you can see, if I try to stress it out, the material is very resistant. And here's the part when you apply the GoPro and then you link it. So you got 100% point of view from your face, from your eyes when you're gonna record with the GoPro. I hope this video was useful for you. It's all for today. Bye bye from London, UK.